Hey guys, hello everyone, and a very good morning to all of you, and welcome to the channel. So this particular video is regarding the official answer key. So the final answer key has been uploaded on the NT website, and since we have challenged quite a bit of questions, so it's very important to see that whether those question has been accepted or not, which has been accepted, which has not been accepted. Okay, so in this video we are going to analyze that. I'm just going to talk about that which question has been taken and which question has been changed, and that's what this video is going to be about. Okay, so this particular exam held on 2 days, one on 26th of November and the other one on 30th of November for chemical sciences I'm talking about. So you can see right now it is CSIR NTA UGC CSIR NET November 2020 exam, final answer key, on which the result has been compiled on 28th of December. So the result, the scorecard has been just compiled. So based upon that, this is the final answer key, right? So the exam, let me just scroll down for chemical sciences. So for the chemical sciences, you can see that the exam actually held on 2 days. This analysis video or this video is only about the 26th exam, okay, the exam which held on 26th of November. Now, before telling you, starting anything, let me tell you that I have not analyzed each and every question thoroughly like that. Only I have discussed those questions on in which there was debate. There were like questions, they were like people were debating about it, okay, that what should be the correct answer and all. So only those questions has been taken in this video, and we'll try to see that whether those question has been accepted or not. All right, so let's quickly go into the video and let's see that which question are there. So the first one is a 2 marker question from question ID 269. So let's quickly understand and let's quickly see that what happened to that question. Right, so this was the question, question ID 269, and the problem with this question was that many of the students were saying that this has to be terpenoid, okay, muscone, okay, that was given to us. But I also discussed this in the Unacademy classes also, that it has to be actually polyptide, not terpenoid. So the provisional answer key was giving it 1075 as the correct answer. That was in the provisional answer key, and in the final answer key, if you see, that is same, okay, 1075 is only the answer of this particular question. So yes, it has not been changed, okay, it has been kept as per the provisional answer key. So 1075 is the answer for this. So this question has not been changed. Let's go for the next one. The next question will be question ID 287. So let's quickly look upon that. Now I'm not going in other questions just because they were not challenged, I guess. But if you have any doubt or any question, you can just look upon. Okay, I'll give you the link of to download that final answer key in the description of this video, so you can download from there. So yeah, talking about this question, that is 287. According to the provisional answer key, the answer was 1148. Okay, it was like A1G square, A1G2 and E2G3. Okay, that was the answer key as per the provisional answer key. Okay, so you can see here, but the new answer key, the final answer key has been changed, and the correct answer is 1145 now. That means they have changed it to option number 1. So there were a lot of there were a lot of confusion for this question. I also discussed this question in the video, and I told you that according to Ajay Kumar, it has to be the same. But fine, there were some different references from your Horsecraft, from your Crabtree. So those people, people have challenged it, and that has been accepted, and the answer has been changed. Okay, so the correct or the final answer is actually 1145. Now still on this question, people are discussing that no, this should not have been correct one. But fine, we'll discuss that particular thing in some other video. For now, we'll just stick to this particular topic, that whether it is changed or not. Okay, so yeah, this has been changed. Question number 287 has been changed. The next question after this is question ID 294. Okay, so let's look for 294. Let me quickly scroll down to question ID 294. All right, so rest of the questions I have not checked it out, but yeah, you guys, if you want, you can check out. Okay, so this is question ID 294. Now here in this question, it was like energy of interaction of ion pair, ion dipole, and dipole dipole interaction. The question or the problem was that in the provisional answer key, it was 1173. People were discussing that it has to be 1175, and according to Atkins and all, there were a lot of other references. I think nobody has challenged this question properly, or I don't know whether it has been accepted or not. But yeah, the correct answer has not been changed. It's same as the provisional answer key. So 1173 1173 has been kept as it is as per the provisional answer key. So no change for this particular question. So yeah, this is not changed. Okay, so question ID 294 has not been changed. For the next one, it is question number 299. So let's go directly for question number 299 now. So fine, let's quickly go for that. Before going in 299, there is one more, that is 298. This particular question also, there were quite a bit of discussion on this, although this has been cleared out already in the previous video where I have discussed about the provisional answer key. But fine, again I'll talk about this. So many of the students were telling that option A should be correct, but no. For 298, if you see, the answer is 1191, which is basically your option number C. Okay, so option C is correct, and yeah, this has to be correct. It has been kept same as the provisional answer key. So no change in answer number 298. Okay, so question number 298 has not been changed at all. The next one, which is your question number 299. So if you go for that, question number 299 based upon the number of peaks. So in the NMR spectrum of this particular molecule, now here also many people try to challenge this question, but I'll give you reference of that later on. But right now, just understand that this particular question was correct as for the provisional answer key. So 299, the answer was in the provisional answer key, it was 1193. If you look upon the final answer key also, it is 1193. So no change has been made for this particular question. This has been kept as it is, and yes, this is the correct answer also. Okay, so 1193 is the correct answer for this. The next question to be discussed is question number 301. So let's go quickly for question number 301. 301 says about your number of expected electronic transition. Now this question, if you have watched my class, my analysis class on Unacademy, there also have discussed this question, and I have discussed this in the explanation of provisional answer key. There also have discussed. So this question has to be done according to Tanabe-Sugano diagram, not with the Orgel diagram. Okay, so yeah, the answer is 1204 as per the provisional answer key, and it has been kept as it is. So 1204 has been kept as it is. No change has been made in this particular answer. So yeah, no change for this particular question. It is kept as it is. Let's go for the next one. Okay, after 301, the next question which we have is question number 330. So let me quickly scroll to question number 330. All right, so this is your question number 330, and it has to be changed. Okay, there were like many people have challenged this question, and yes, the term symbol on the ground state of dinitrogen cation, and the correct answer in according to the provisional answer key was 1317. This was the answer given in the provisional answer key, but if you look upon the final answer key is 1320. It has been corrected, and option number D has been made the correct answer. So yes, this has been changed, and you all got your correct answer. So you can be happy about this, right? So this is the question which has been changed, and it has been made correct. Let's go for the next one, that is question number 333. Okay, so let's quickly scroll down for question ID 333. 333 question was based upon your J value, rotational energy level between J is equals to 3 and J is equals to 9, and it was given, and it was asked that rotational constant will be closest to. In the provisional answer key, the answer was 1331. Okay, 1331 was the answer, but if you see the final answer key, it has been changed to 1330. So you can check it out. 1330 has been made as the correct answer. So yes, this has been also changed. If anyone has challenged this question, and if he has done 1330 as the correct answer, he would have got like marks for this. All right, so yes, this question has also been changed, and yes, this is actually the correct answer is 1330 for the marks evaluation. After this question, the next question which was actually debatable was 336. Okay, so let's quickly go for that. 336, yeah, this was the question. Yeah, this question I have already like told you about this. We have already discussed about this question during the analysis of the provisional answer key. There also I told you that the answer has to be 0 only, that is 1343 should be the answer. So and yeah, it has been kept as it is. So 1343 has been kept as the same in the final answer key also. So no change has been made for the final answer key for this particular question. So 336 has been kept same as it is. All right, next question is your 337. So let's quickly go. So that's the next question. Yeah, this question many people have challenged this question. Okay, the question which was based upon the entropy in terms of internal energy, and this was from statistical thermodynamics. The answer in the provisional answer key was 1345. If you check out the final answer key, the answer has been changed to 1346. So 1345 has been changed to 1346, and that's the correct answer. So if you have attempted this question and marked option number this, that is 1346, yes, you will get marks for that. So yes, this is the correct answer for this. After this, the last question which I think is changed is 341. 341, if you quickly if we quickly go for that question number 341, so yeah, this is the one, and obviously it has to be changed. This question was your kinetics. In the provisional answer key, the answer was given 1362, which many people challenged. So 1363 has been made as the correct answer, and 1363, that means the order of the reaction has been converted to 2. Okay, so the final answer has been evaluated as per this answer key. So those who have marked as second order reaction, they might have got correct marks for this particular question. So these were certain questions which I thought that they were debated, that they were challenged, and whether they are accepted or not, you might be curious to know that. So that's why I made this video. I hope you found the answer for that. Link for downloading this final answer key will be there in the description of this video. You can download from there and you can match your question, that whether it has been changed or not. I have not analyzed the whole question paper thoroughly. Just those questions, just the highlighted questions are analyzed over there. One more thing, that this year, despite being the exam so difficult or so different, there are some students who have performed really well, and I'm very happy for them, and I'm really happy with the result which they have given to us. And I'll talk about that in a separate video. I'll discuss with you guys regarding that in a separate video. But yeah, I'm quite happy with the performance of the students. Let's see that what the cutoffs is and what is the going to be the result. But fine, up till now, this is what we can do and this is what we have. All right, so thank you so much for watching this video, guys, and I hope you guys like this video. If you have not subscribed to the channel, do subscribe to it. If you have not liked the video, give it a like and share it with your friends. Okay, if you have any doubt, any question, anything you want to ask, you can ask that in the comment section of this video. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, have a great day. Bye bye.